Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with Basecamp Trading. It is Thursday, February 2nd, and we're going to take a look at one of the setups, or two of the setups actually, in bonds that happened today in the futures trading room. Now, the first one, when we first came into the room, we were looking at bonds like this, okay? And we said, okay, we are in a range. We have resistance up at 150 and 28.30 seconds, and support down at 150 and 13.30 seconds. So we were looking for a breakout of that channel, either up or down, doesn't matter. We ended up going through, breaking out to the upside. And we went all the way up. We hit significantly overvalued on the 240s, and literally like the top two ticks on this bar is significantly overvalued on our 240-minute price chart, which means we're extended on the day. Then we went into another channel. Now, this channel, not nearly as large as the initial one, but if you drill down to your 500 tick, as you know, I like looking at 500 ticks a lot, you can see the second channel that develops. And then we said, okay, this is actually a head and shoulders pattern. So we're in a range and we have a head and shoulders forming. The neckline is at 151 and 3. We said if it breaks through 151 and 3, it's a potential short opportunity. Well, we ended up breaking through 151 and 3 and sold off all the way back down. Now, if you look where we stopped right back on top of the 150 and 13.30 second support that we had initially identified this morning. Now, the thing about it is we actually have very bearish momentum in our 30s, so I wouldn't be surprised to see us go down and break through the support here in the afternoon. But one thing I always tell people is do not anticipate the break. So don't get ahead of the market. Don't say, well, it's going to go break that support, so I'm just going to go ahead and go short. Because when you do that, as soon as you do that, it's going to not go and break the support. All right, so big point of today, though, is keep an eye out on these intraday consolidation periods, because they happen all the time, and they oftentimes will give you very nice entries, especially into things like bonds, where you can get in and get out with 10, 15 ticks and have a $300 to $500 contract trade. Alrighty, that's all I have for you for today. Have a great afternoon. I'll see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And until next time, happy trading.